Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to crop an image on your Mac, and I'm going to show you two different ways to do it. The first method involves using Quick Look, which is accessed by pressing the spacebar. So first, select the image you want to crop and press the spacebar to open it in Quick Look. Now to actually crop the image, click on the markup icon in the top right-hand corner. You'll see a different set of tools appear. Select the crop icon. It looks like a rectangle with dotted lines. Now you'll see the crop borders appear around your image. Simply adjust the borders to select the portion of the image you want to keep. For example, I'm going to crop my image like this. Once you're happy with the selection, click on Done in the top right-hand corner. And that's it. You've successfully cropped the image using Quick Look. We can press the spacebar again to exit out of preview. And now when we go to open it up again, you can see it has been cropped. The second way to crop an image is by using the Preview app directly. To do this, open the image, and it should automatically open in Preview. If it doesn't, right-click the image, hover over Open With, and then select Preview. Now that the image is open in the Preview app, we need to crop it. Again, select the markup icon in the top right-hand corner. And then you should see a different set of tools. Now if you look at your cursor, it's going to look like a cross shape, which is the selector tool. And you can change the shape of the selector tool by clicking on the selector icon in the top left-hand corner. And in the drop-down menu, you want to select any of these options. So, we're going to stick with the rectangular selection. Now, drag and drop the selection to wherever you want to crop the image. So again, I'm going to choose this area here. Once you are happy with where you want to crop the image, you want to select the crop icon in the top right-hand corner. And now it's going to crop your image to that selection. Now we've done this, we can exit out of the preview application. And the next time we go to open up our image, it's going to automatically save with that crop applied. Now we can go ahead and start using that image, just as we normally would. And that's it. 2 easy ways to crop images on your Mac. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips.